Alrighty. So we got the carbs, or should I say Spencer got the carbs, because I'm not contributing. Got the carbs off of this bug, as well as the dust buggy, because the dust buggy is getting a rebuild. Woo! Actually, she's getting a brand new motor.
Nice and blended with some big port work. 200, huh?
Yeah, 200 CFM.
We decided that we wanted to try and rebuild the engine that was in the orange bug, so first things first, we pull it so that we can diagnose it. Alrighty, Dusty Crew, here we are. We got the Tangerine Dream here. I think that's the name we're going with for this one.
She's a beaut.
And what are we going to be doing here?
So I'm kind of starting to go through the motor, kind of see what's what. It's claimed to be a 2276. The jugs do look pretty big, so there's a good chance. It doesn't really have any crazy port work or anything done. Maybe I think those are just stock size, maybe slightly oversized. It's got VW. Is VW? Yeah, so I don't see any VW stamps anywhere. Like any of the VW logo stamp. There's a 28R here. Or 2BR, I'm not sure. So we're not sure if these are VW heads or not.
Actually, we later learned that they're VW heads that have been bored out with oversized valves.
They have solid rockers on them. Then the other thing about this is, it seems like it's locked. I can go, my wrench. I can go back. Okay, when I come forward, it stops right there. Okay, this piston now at the top of its stroke. The sound is also coming from that side of the engine. So that should be our problem. So we'll pull this side off and see what we find.
So the next step was getting our engine on the engine stand, and thankfully we used the Zalix Industries engine adapter ring so that we can hook it up to the engine stand, and this actually enables you to test and tune your engine right there on the engine stand. No need to put it in the car. That's a pretty handy feature when you really want to get things dialed in.
I probably did not follow the factory pattern there, but I did, crisscross, so hopefully we're fine.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, wow.
That's really not good.
Look at that. So,
Yikes.
that needs to be taken to work and blasted.
So what, water got in there? Or what?
I'm thinking it's fuel. I'm thinking that float, that carburetor.
Overflowed. Spencer blasted the heads and cylinders to see how they fared. Some pretty nice blast work.